In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively promote a SharePoint page or news post in SharePoint Online. It's a common task, but crucial for making sure your important content gets the attention it deserves within your organization. We're going to focus on turning a modern SharePoint page into a news post, a simple yet powerful way to boost its visibility across your site. First, let's start by accessing the page you want to promote. This page should already be published, as that's the condition for being able to promote it. Once you're on the page, you'll notice several options on the top toolbar. Among these buttons are Help and Support, and next to it, you'll find the Promote button. This is where you want to click to begin the promotion process. Upon clicking Promote, a panel will open up on the side of your screen. Here, you'll see different options to make your page more prominent, but today, we're going to focus on one specific option. Look for the choice that says Post as News on this site. Selecting this option is key. By doing so, you're not only promoting the page, but also ensuring it surfaces in the site's news web parts. This means your page will become more visible to others visiting the site, as it'll appear in areas where news commonly draws users' attention. After clicking on this option, your page is effectively promoted. This simple act of turning your site page into a news post is an effective way to leverage SharePoint's built-in functionalities to increase how your audience engages with the content. Once you've done this, there's an optional but recommended step to consider. Sometimes, after promoting your content as news, it can be beneficial to republish the page. Why, you might ask? Republishing ensures that the changes you've made are reflected promptly in search indexing. This step is crucial because it helps solidify how users find your content across different search and navigation tools within SharePoint. Remember, this straightforward method of promotion is all about leveraging what SharePoint offers to ensure your crucial updates or important posts don't get lost in the shuffle. By re-promoting as news, you make sure more eyes fall on the pages that matter most. That's it for today. A quick and effective way to give your SharePoint page the spotlight it deserves by transforming it into a news post. This small yet significant action can make a big difference in how your content is consumed within your organization. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out other videos for more handy SharePoint tips.